Haha. Oh. Had something hitting at it.
Today on Delta Safari, we really explore what this area has to offer. We start off in Daphne, Alabama, doing some inshore fishing on Mobile Bay. Then we head across the Delta to Chickasabough to try our hand at a little catfishing. It's a busy day here on the Delta.
I don't think I'm going to bother. Alright, we are at Mayday Park in Daphne, Alabama, right on Mobile Bay. You can see the Delta up there where all the dark clouds are and the rain. And the guys kind of have the pier taken up on the end, so I'm just going to get out here and do this artificial shrimp out here, see if I can pull a flounder up. Just kind of in the mood for some saltwater fish this week. Oh, I can hear that thunder rumbling. That may cut us short. We'll see. Something just broke right there. Just kind of dragging it across the bottom. Oh, it's a little mullet. That's what that was. Okay, for those of you who aren't used to this kind of water, when you wade or surf cast and you got your feet in the water, you don't pick your feet up and step. You slide your feet. And that is so if you run across a stingray, you bump him in the nose as opposed to stepping right on top of him, which is when that barb will pop up and make you regret it. Shuffle your feet, don't step. Haha. Oh. Had something hitting at it. Clean it up, take another cast out there, but something was certainly tapping at it. Look, it pulled the shrimp all the way down the hook. Nice. Really no telling what I could catch on this thing. This is a pretty universal lure. Just about everything in this water will hit it. I mentioned I'd like to catch some flounder, but man, there's all kinds of things I could catch here. Redfish, black drum. Bluefish maybe. Pretty much the whole visible spectrum. If I don't get a little more action on this one, I've got one made by Gulp that actually tastes and scents like shrimp. I've been dying to try that. It has been overcast and rainy this weekend, which I don't mind too much because the highs during the week were in the 90s. Right now it's like 78. It's very comfortable out here. All right, I'm gonna give this one more cast. If I don't get another bump off of it, I'm gonna switch over to that Gulp. Whew. Stinky. That's what I put on. Let's see if that stank helps. And this is when 3 carloads of people showed up. Apparently a family had reserved the park for the day for their family reunion, so I thought I'd hightail it out of there. Well, I had driven back into Mobile County, clear across the bay, clear across the Delta. I'm back at my old stomping grounds in Chickasaw on the Chickasabough at William Brooks Park. I have myself some Canadian night crawlers. I guess that means they're just very polite. I'll put it on this here circle hook. Got like a 1 ounce weight up there. Chunk it out here and see if we can't pull us a catfish out. Other species that might come of this: bowfin and gar. Sounds like something a pirate would want. What are you fishing for? Gar. Unheard of to catch a bass on this. Clearly a bluegill, but that's usually going to be closer into shore than where this is headed. Turn the drag off. Just let it sit right there. Here's a tip in case you don't know. Always keep your worm box upside down, because worms go to the bottom. That way, when you need one, you flip it over. You turn the world upside down. There's some bait fish working out that way with something chasing them. So I'm gonna put on something that imitates that and see if we can't catch whatever was chasing them. Now, here at Brooks Park, this is brackish water, which we've talked about before. It's part fresh, part salt. You will have species from both. So I could be going for a bass and reel in a redfish. Old bullfrog over yonder. On this, I'm running a little inline spinner bait that looks like a minnow. Got a treble hook on the back. Oh, we're getting action already. Yeah, there's something on here. Ready? Anything? Nope, nothing. Ooh, something broke way over there. And again, with this being brackish water, that could just be mullet jumping out for no particular reason. They do that, you know. We do not know yet why mullet jump out of the water. Got a few theories, but not an actual why. Well, that answers my question as to whether there's still worm on there or not. Yeah, we got something. I think it's a sight bit smaller than what I was aiming for, but we got something. That, my friends, is a croaker. Now, though edible, not the best eating in the world, you know what it is good for? Cut bait. Hear that? That's why they're called a croaker. I'm gonna switch my artificial for a minute. Got that gulp shrimp from Berkeley. Kind of a little rubber finesse there. Not unheard of for us to get some flounder out of here. Bigger version of that croaker. Alright, let my GoPro cool down a little. And it's back on. I'm gonna get a little POV on this plopper action. We're gonna get a hit, and now would be the time to do it. Well, that croaker looks like it's going to be it for today. It's starting to get hot now that the rain has cleared out. I think I'm going to head for the house. I'll see you on the Delta.
Man, look at y'all with your cell phones and your swiping and your fingers and thumbs. You know what I'd do? I'd click that there subscribe button. Look at what I just did. And you know what I'd probably do after that is click the like button.